lot of people are like, why are you buying box paper towels? But they're not just box paper towels. I got these sent to me from Amazon. I will link them below. These are like Clean Skin Club dupes. I'm super excited to try these out to see if they're any similar. They look a lot the same. They're just half the price. A lot of people are like, why are you buying box paper towels? But they're not just box paper towels. They are hypoallergenic, and them being in this box keeps it very clean. I have paper towels right here and anything can touch it, so I like that it's in this box. These are also just easy to travel with, and they feel softer than a paper towel. And a lot of people, including myself, like to wash their face with like a regular towel, but that we're learning holds on to a lot of bacteria, which can also cause acne, so it's probably good to just switch over to a biodegradable. And so I'm not mad at this, okay? The Clean Skin Club ones are $21 and this is $10. Either one, I think the Clean Skin Club ones, not all of them are $20, but hey, if it makes a difference in your face and keeps your face happy, by all means try it. There is my rant there. And then after we go in with this, we are going to be using Hyper Even Gentle Brightening Cleansing Gel. So yeah, super excited for this. Okay. Okay, I will say that the Clean Skin Bamboo is slightly softer than this one, so I will give it that. But besides that, they're the same pattern, the same size, and all of that. Okay, so normally I'd rinse my face off and go in with the gel cleanser, but today I want to show you guys how this works wet and how it works dry. So we're gonna wet this right now, and we're just gonna go in and wipe this off. So it's super thick, so it doesn't break apart. I think a lot of times, and yes, it's my makeup, paper towels kind of like break apart on your face, but these are like super thick, so it really does a good job of pulling everything off your face. Granted, I did use a makeup remover, but yeah, so I feel like most of it is off, but my chin usually holds on to a lot. But look, literally barely any more left, and we're just gonna wipe the rest. Okay, yeah, we still have some more here, but not as much as here. So we're gonna choose another clean part. And that's why I like how big this is, because you can really just keep using different parts to kind of to wipe different parts of your face. So we still have more in there. And that is why it's very important to double cleanse, you guys. Your first makeup wipe is not gonna do it. Okay, so we're getting less and less. We're gonna try this little side right here to see if any more comes off. And really getting underneath here, between the nose. So yeah, it's becoming pretty faint here. We have this back side here. I'm just gonna go over my eyebrows. So that is what it looks like with all the makeup. You can notice when I first took the makeup off, there's a lot in the middle, but then off to the sides, it really got most of it off. And that's what my face looks like. Okay, so next let's go in with our cleanser. Okay, so this is what it comes out looking like. It's like a pinkish orangey color. Alright, so my face is dripping wet. We're gonna go in with a second one. Normally, guys, I don't use a second one. I'll just go back to back with my makeup remover, cleansing oil, and my my cleansing oil and my face wash, or I'll use like a makeup wipe in between. But here we go. The goal is to have 0 brown on this towel. So let's see what happens. Okay, so these feel just as soft as the competitor. Okay, nothing there so far, literally. The chin always holds so much makeup in the sides of my face too, like it gets in my hair. So yeah, this came from the sides, like my hair, but a little bit from the chin, literally what I say. But it's okay. So I'm just gonna wipe here and then wipe all around my hair, because you don't want that. So yeah, that still has some. But for the most part, we are good here. So yes, these are super soft. Highly recommend as an alternative if you don't want to get the other brand. These are just as good. For 10 bucks you get 50, I think is amazing. For 10 bucks you get 50, which if they were just paper towels you'd be like, what? So let's say you use 2 a day, that would be a month's worth. Or if you use 1 a day, that's like almost 2 months worth. So once you guys notice that your skin is not breaking out as much and that you just feel cleaner, like sometimes when you use washcloth, you have to think like, okay, where else has this washcloth been? Has it been on somebody else's body? Has it been in somebody else's body parts? Has it been used to wash this or wash that? Some people are really good with their washcloths, but I think this is a great alternative, especially if you have acne prone skin like me.